Hi, my name is Benaz Zangana, and today we're going to be talking about calorimetry. You may ask, what is calorimetry? Well, calorimetry is the science associated with determining the changes in energy of a system. This is accomplished by measuring the heat exchanged with the surroundings. Calorimetry is a technique used for thermal analysis, and there are many applications. A few include determining melting temperatures, determining denaturation temperatures, and even enthalpy change. How does it work? Well, calorimetry is simply the measurement of heat. We use a calorimeter, which is just an apparatus used to measure the amount of heat involved in a chemical reaction. I have a picture of a calorimeter right here. Remember, calorimeters work by capturing all the energy that is being released or absorbed by a reaction. I have a few tips for you. It's important to obtain reliable results when you're doing an experiment. In order to do that, you need to conduct your experiment multiple times. It's also important to remember that although you can buy a calorimeter, you can also create your own. And when you're creating your own, it's important to use a styrofoam cup because it's a good insulator. Another important thing to remember is to take precautions. Remember that when you're in the lab, you need to be wearing your lab coat, your glasses or goggles. I have my glasses. We also have gloves. You need to be wearing your gloves at all times. It's also important to remember that when you're wearing your gloves, you shouldn't be touching any other surfaces. Also keep in mind that you should never touch chemicals without having gloves on. Lastly, before I leave you, it's important to connect the things that you learn in lab to the real world. If you didn't know, calorimetry is actually used every day. It's used to measure the metabolic rates in humans. I hope you learned a lot about calorimetry today. Thank you.